You're making the biggest mistake of your life by ignoring social media. And trust me, it's costing you opportunities you didn't even know existed. Let me guess, you've thought social media is just a waste of time or I'm too late to the game. Sound familiar? Here's the truth: social media isn't just for scrolling and selfies, it's the free tool that could completely change your life. Think about it. Every time you ignore social media, you're passing up on connections, income, and influence. Maybe you're a small business owner struggling to grow, or you have a passion or a message you're dying to share, but you don't know how to get it out there. I get it. It feels overwhelming, like the internet's too big for your voice to matter. But what if I told you that's not true? Here's my story. A few years ago, present I had zero presence online. I thought success came just from hard work and word of mouth. But the day I decided to post consistently on social media to share my story, my skills, and engage with others, everything changed. Opportunities started showing up, collaborations, clients, and even friendships I couldn't have imagined. All because I took one step into the digital world. So, what's the secret? How do you make social media work for you? Let me break it down into three actionable steps. First, choose one platform and master it. You don't need to be everywhere at once. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Pick the one where your audience spends their time and focus there. Second, be authentic. People don't want perfect, they want real. Share your journey, your wins, and even your struggles. That's what creates trust and connection. Third, stay consistent. This is the game changer. Showing up regularly, even when you feel like nobody's watching, builds momentum. Your audience will grow if you're willing to stick with it. Remember, social media isn't just a quick fix, it's a powerful tool that works when you work it. Start small, stay authentic, show up consistently. Your future self will thank you. If this inspired you, don't wait. Hit that subscribe button, share your first post today, and let's build something amazing together.